If CapCut is stuck loading, freezing on the startup screen, or refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve the CapCut loading error fast, even if you're not technical. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest method first, and I'll also show you what to check if the app still won't load after clearing cache. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and look for the settings icon. Once you find it, click Settings, and inside the Settings menu, look for the Cache section. CapCut stores temporary files there, and over time those files can become corrupted or just build up too much, which can cause loading problems. Next to the cache size, you should see a Delete icon. Click that Delete icon to clear the cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because it removes old temporary data without deleting your projects or account information. After the cache is cleared, fully close CapCut and then open it again to see if it loads normally. If the loading error is still there, the next thing to check is your network and region settings. CapCut depends on stable server access, and sometimes the issue is not the app itself, but your internet connection or something on the network blocking access. A common cause is a VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try launching CapCut again. The same goes for ad blockers or security tools that may interfere with CapCut's connection to its servers. These tools can sometimes block the app from reaching the cloud services it needs to load properly. If you're on a restrictive network like office Wi-Fi, school Wi-Fi, or even some public networks, CapCut may not be able to connect correctly. In that case, try switching between networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect and test using mobile data like 4G or 5G. If you're on mobile data and still having trouble, switch back to another Wi-Fi network and test again. Sometimes just changing the connection is enough to get CapCut loading again because the original network was restricting cloud access. If the app still won't load after those steps, repeat the cache clearing process one more time and make sure there are no background apps, VPN services, or filter tools running in the background. Then restart your device and try again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the loading error quickly. So to recap, clear the CapCut cache, disable VPNs and ad blockers, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to find a connection that allows CapCut to load properly. These are the most reliable first steps when CapCut gets stuck loading on PC or mobile. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.